This is about 20 minutes later and it's looking awesome. For those of you who have been following me since the beginning, don't you find it looks like my older paintings when I was going for cells all the time? It really does. Now, obviously I failed the kiss pour, which I'll be trying again with thicker paints. But I think that I saved it. I love those lines there. The white is awesome. And it's going to be interesting to see how this dries because of the enamel paints. I know how the white will dry, and I also know that the black makes like crazing, you know, but it's not really defined like in my other video. There's no lines of black. So how will this end? Check out, there's an eye. Stay tuned for the dried result. So I'm back with the dried result, and I did varnish it. You can see the reflection, and there is no crazing whatsoever. You can see some little lines from the details in the cells, but nothing cracked, nothing looks weirdo. It's perfectly smooth, and it really dried beautifully. I like how the darkness kind of seeped back up. And I was afraid that I would be losing some of that red in the background, that it would continue changing for a long time, but it didn't. It stayed pretty much the same as you last saw it. All right, hope you guys like this. Have a good one.